Hello everyone. In this video, we're reviewing the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 wireless speaker. The Onyx Studio 9 is a Bluetooth speaker that focuses on design, sound quality, and a premium experience mainly for home use with a bit of portability. If you're looking for a powerful, elegant speaker that sounds great without complicated setup, stick around. This might be perfect for you. In the box, you'll find the speaker itself, along with a charging cable for power connection and a quick start guide. Let's start with the design, which is one of the most distinctive features of this line. The Onyx Studio 9 maintains Harman Kardon's classic circular shape with a refined finish and a premium feel as soon as you touch it. The fabric front grille covers the entire speaker and is seamlessly integrated, while on the back there's an aluminum handle serving dual purposes, both stylish and practical. Thanks to this handle, moving it from room to room is extremely convenient. Clearly, it's not a small or ultralight speaker, but it's designed to sit on a table, furniture piece, or shelf, and occasionally be moved elsewhere with minimal effort. But let's get to what matters most, the sound. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 delivers 50 watts RMS total power with a 120mm speaker and 320mm tweeters, enough to easily fill a large room or living area. The sound profile is classic for the brand. Deep, powerful bass with great punch, perfect for electronic music, pop or hip-hop, clear mids where vocals sound crisp and well-defined, and balanced highs without harshness or metallic tones, even at high volumes. This speaker performs excellently at both low and high volumes without distortion, maintaining impressive sound quality even when you crank it up. It's obviously a delight for music, but works just as well for videos, YouTube content, or even podcasts. With its 50 watts, the Onyx Studio 9 packs plenty of power for gatherings, dinner parties, or as your main home speaker. The sound projects widely throughout the space, so you don't need to sit directly in front of it to enjoy the full experience. Regarding the battery, it has a 4,722 mAh capacity, offering up to 8 hours of continuous playback at medium volume, with a full charge taking about 4 hours. Plus, you can keep it permanently plugged into a power outlet without any issues. The connectivity options are simple yet effective. It features Bluetooth 5.3 to wirelessly connect your phone, tablet, or computer quickly while minimizing latency. There's a 3.5mm mini jack auxiliary input, perfect for wired connections or older devices. A USB output lets you charge external devices like a power bank, and you can pair 2 or more compatible speakers using Auracast to create wider, more immersive stereo sound. The physical controls are located on top of the speaker and let you manage volume, playback, Bluetooth pairing, and the Auracast system quickly and intuitively. These buttons are accessible, well integrated, and easy to use, even without looking at them. Regarding price, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 typically costs around €249. As always, I'll leave a direct link in the description below in case you want to pick one up. Now, as always, let's do a quick sound test with the speaker so you can hear it. As I always say, hearing it live like I am now isn't the same as through a video, but this should give you a basic idea. So let's begin.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are here. out of town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
In summary, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 is an ideal speaker if you want great sound, power, elegant design, and a simple user experience. It's not the most portable or cheapest speaker, but if you want it as your main home speaker or to move it occasionally, it exceeds expectations with very solid sound quality. It's a beautiful, powerful speaker with that signature Harman Kardon sound that never disappoints. Well guys, that's all for this video. I hope, as always, that you found it helpful. If so, don't forget to leave a like, which is super important, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss anything. For my part, that's all. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.